Packlytics. Today we're going to go through placing the Smart Box on the machine and hooking up the cables that go on the Smart Box side. We'll cover the sensors in another video. I'd just like to stress and let you know to make sure you do not route any cables around any moving parts of the machine, and also make sure the machine is disconnected from power before beginning. If the machine is hardwired to the wall, make sure that the machine is turned off by the breaker and the machine is also locked out before you begin installation. I have the Smart Box here. We have already pre-installed the antennas on port 10 and 12, and we also pre-installed the power on port 5. The cables will be labeled and the antennas will be labeled. But to hook up the cables, you'll have labeled M12 standard 5-pin cables. That cable 1 will go into port 1 and cable 2 will go into port 2. And again, they just push on there and then screw on. And once you feel it starting to click, it means it's locking into place. Keep going until it stops. That cable's on. And then cable 1. And just so you know, cable 1 or port 1 always goes to the roll of film for the sensor monitor, and cable 2 always goes to the pallet. So basically all the cables are on the Smart Box, and we already did Smart Box placement. That's how hard it is to install the Smart Box. We'll route these cables when we do the sensor install. Thank you.